In this video we are going to add a new visualization template. First, we need to expand the hypercube section and this item. Let's change the title to KPIs. Let's add another hypercube by clicking Create button. New one should be called Details. What exactly is a hypercube? It is just a set of dimensions and measures defined on the data section. Well, what do we have now? We have an empty hypercube, there is nothing here in data section. But we also have KPIs hypercube with its own set of measures and designed visualization template is still here. Let's copy the hypercube measures by clicking Copy button. We need to return to newly created hypercube which we have called Details. Click Show. Let's paste the measures. Expand the data section. Here we go. All copied measures are here. We are going to use sales KPIs only. So, delete the margin KPIs. Let's add a dimension by clicking this Add button and selecting the product group item. We have possibility to use alternative dimensions and measures. Let's do that. Click Add Alternative and select Product Line. Fine. Let's click View Data. This null should be suppressed. To do that we need to uncheck Include Null Values option. Let's create a new visualization template. What do we have now? Expand Visualization section. We have two visualizations here. Let's rename the first one to KPIs. And the second one should be called Sales Details. As you can see, each visualization is linked with its own hypercube. This visualization is linked with the Details hypercube. And another one, with KPIs. And each hypercube has its own set of dimensions and measures. And the only one hypercube can be active at any point in time. We can easily switch between visualizations using this special button. Well, you can add as many visualizations and hypercubes as you want. Why do we need that? In the next video we are going to answer this question by linking both templates using a special action to implement drill down feature.